Hello everyone. Well, I got back on a horse today after 2 years since having my neck broken last time I was in the saddle or out of the saddle. Fear. There was no fear really, but I was well aware of what there was to lose, I guess. I didn't want to end up a veggie like I could have last time and leave the responsibility of everything to everybody else. So I guess I was fairly tentative and a few butterflies at one stage. But it all ended well, and I guess I've been living for the last couple of years with this in the back of my mind. Would I ever get back on? I hope you get something out of this video and look forward to making another one riding again. All the best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. Here's my boy. Ready for your nightly walk. Hey? Put this one here. This is a Dr. Cook bitless bridle. Hopefully the leather is a bit better quality than the leather I had on this time last year. Right, big man, come this way, over here. Come round. Come on. Still filming?
Yeah.
Yep. Now this big fella here, been nursing him for the last 18 months. After the big operation down here on his, that he had on his hoof here, and the big gash on his back leg, back in under there. So I think we've both finished healing. And if he's anything like the horse that he used to be, I used to put all the beginners on this bloke. And I'm pretty confident he's going to be the same. I'm not scared. I am apprehensive a bit, and I guess if I come off I've got to learn to land on my legs instead of my head. So I'll get him ready and off we go, because in about another hour's time it's exactly 2 years since I broke this. I may have a broken neck. Howdy YouTubers, or what's happening YouTube? But I won't, I'll just say g'day, and hopefully I'm back in the saddle. Show me bandage on. You've got the helmet in your car, haven't you?
Yeah. Lean. Lean. Alright, Chelsea.
Right, I've got this on. It was one of these that saved me 2 years ago, so you got to wear one. Dutchie hasn't been ridden for about 3 years, and I've given him a bit of work the last couple of nights just up and down the road, so I guess we'll see what happens. If anything happens, I better land on my feet. So, all the best, YouTube.
Exactly this time.
What are we going to do? You're going to relax? I want to relax, so you relax.
How does it feel to be back on a horse?
Like I'm back on a horse.
Yeah,
Right?
must feel amazing.
It's work on me, work. Just work, work. Now I want you to do something special. I want you to do work. Back for me now, back. Come on, back, 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 back. Right, let's walk on. Walk on. Come on. Come on, walk on. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. He's not nervous, I am.
How you feeling?
You want this? You want this? You want this?
How you feeling?
Oh, a little bit fluttery. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Come on. Let's put up a little bit.
He's still, yeah, he's still favouring that front foot a bit,
Yeah.
even though it's all cleared up and gone.
A good combination.
I'll do it.
This one.
You never let me down, did you? Hey, you got a kiss for me? I reckon I had about 98.6% plus chance of surviving that ride, which means that's in the last couple of years, that's two 98.6% chances of surviving. One with that bullshit bloody virus. But anyway, I think we might have a bit of a future, us two old buggers. Say goodbye, Smart. Say goodbye.